This is the second residential of TechUP Women.
Doing this is not without its sacrifices, and it's not an easy thing to do. You are already amazing women for having taken this opportunity.
It's incredible to see how much they've managed to progress themselves since they started the programme. We've had stories of some of them acquiring jobs. We've heard of people who are now looking at completely different careers that they wouldn't have looked at before.
Where I'm from originally, there was kind of this idea that it's only boys who do IT and engineering. So I ended up going into business administration. I was looking into starting a new career, and TechUp was the perfect opportunity.
I am a doctor. I think that I didn't manage to choose the right choice when I was very young. I realized that the only part of the job that I really enjoy is data. So computer and programming is really satisfying for me.
I already work in IT, I'm a product manager, but outside of work, I always felt that my technical skills limited me in being able to take my ideas further.
I used to be a research officer in Nigeria. I've always wanted to be into writing, and I used to be like, I can't go into it because I don't know web designing, I can't have my blog.
Then I started doing some research and I found TechUp.
Now I have opportunity to improve myself, to showcase what I can do.
I almost failed every single job interviews in the past, and after Durham my confidence rocketed and I managed to get 2 different job offers and I accepted a brilliant one.
We've ended up with a cohort of people who absolutely are ready for this opportunity and might not have been given it otherwise. We've just been blown away by the diversity of the group in terms of their academic backgrounds, their qualifications.
Going into tech, coming from a humanities background, is actually really good because there aren't enough people who think in a humanities type of way. It's inspiring to see that you can make a career in tech without a CS degree.
Although I have some exposure to IT, I don't yet have the skills to go where I'm trying to go, so this will give me the confidence.
I feel like when I expressed myself, I was set free, and now I'm more curious and enlightened.
My daughter tells me every day that I look happier, and that is definitely down to me feeling worthy.
What a lot of people would expect would produce a group that need a lot more support has actually produced a more capable group of women than I've ever met in my life.
They're definitely just rediscovering themselves.
And it's incredible to be around them. It's incredible to just be a part of the journey that they're on.
From term 2, they will be able to decide whether they want to take one route or another.
So there's a more technical pathway, which leads to some more technical roles, and then there's a less technical pathway, which will lead them into roles such as business analyst or agile project manager. There's no pressure from us. They do what it is that feels best for them.
I think a lot of the women are really discovering that the programme is not just about educating them in their tech topics, but it's also about developing this community and helping each other.
Being able to meet like-minded people, being able to network. I think this is the best part about this program.
The community is really important. The fact that we get to come here in person as well, that to me has added such a lot.
To have 100 amazing women, supportive people, you wouldn't get them any other way.
Apart from giving me joy, it has given me the hope actually that it can happen.
We look different, but we have the same aim to be something and be better at what we're doing.
It is very nice to know that we are part of something that looks like is going to grow and be a very important program in the future.